internal. Have you ever considered yourself pondering whether or not you deserve to be successful? And that sounds silly. Some of you may snicker to that, thinking, who would think that? I'm not submitting the idea that you are willingly and knowingly doing these things, but consider for a moment, perhaps you have such a deep-rooted event or a lack of just mental health. But perhaps maybe you lost a parent, maybe you lost a spouse or a child, and that deep-rooted grief is gnawing at you internally, and perhaps that's been a barrier for you. Perhaps you don't believe you deserve to be successful, because to be successful and to be financially independent means that you've moved on. And some of us, whether we want to accept it or not, hold on to these things as mental barriers, living in deep-rooted self-guilt. Have you ever considered the possibility that the lack that you have in understanding the marketplace in a consistent capacity really has nothing to do with the trading? I can tell you, as a young man, when I first was introduced to the marketplace, I really wasn't that astute. I didn't have any real interest. I was intrigued, but I didn't believe I deserved to be successful. I didn't believe that there's no better way to describe it, deserved it. I didn't believe that I had the deserving characteristics of what makes a successful trader successful. I didn't believe I had it. Because I allowed.
Yo, what up, what up? How you guys doing? We're back for New York session. We just had interest rates for a euro. A little bit of volatility, right? They did not increase the rates. They said they would a few months ago, or there was a potential for a rate hike, but they didn't do it. So, still believe euro USD should go up, and a weaker dollar. So we'll have to see how it trades. I mean, gold sells. I took a loss on GJ. Took another sell on GJ, which was a win. It's gonna be a little bit of short stream, guys, today. I'm not feeling too well. Really tired. So yeah, we'll have to see how long I can stream today. Hope you guys don't mind. Welcome everybody in the chat. I'm feeling better, not really. Let me put on some música. Yeah, gold should be good. And I took GJ sells this morning, and that stopped me out literally to the pip, and then continue to move down 80 or 90 pips or something. So that was a little bit unfortunate, because I was working with this range over here, and I saw this buy side liquidity got taken. So I entered a short in the fair value gap, put my stop loss above, and then for some reason it decided to do another run up, probably because of London open. So it literally wicked me out to the pip, and then it dropped, how much? 70 pips or something, or 80 pips. So that was unfortunate. And then I re-entered again over here. And then I took some partials, but it went break even for the rest of it. And I'm in gold at the moment. Should run lower still, because we're in a bearish market structure. You can see this 4-hour fair value gap is still being held, so I'm still bearish on gold. Even though some of you guys who sent me a message that gold should go bullish, I will stick to my own narrative, guys. I hope you don't mind. I trust myself in this kind of occasion. Now, look, this is what I sent in. Oh shit, macro key. Right, this is what I sent in Tuesday, that we could have Tuesday low of the week profile, which is actually unfolding at the moment. Disrespecting this one, and we're trading above it right now. We added volatility wick because of interest rates, but yeah, that's just volatility. And my target for gold is this low over here. So this is the Monday's low. Right. Yeah. Let me get back to the chat. Let me see. Reason for the GJ sell? Because I was anticipating a Thursday reversal profile on GBP JPY after we had 12 consecutive bullish daily candles. So it made sense for me that there was some sort of a retracement. So I'm not really gonna look for any more positions today, but you know, I trade London, right? I love a London session. I'm not so much New York session trader, although there are good opportunities between 9 a.m. and 10:30. That time window you should pay attention to. That's actually a good time window. Hey DK, what's up, man? Welcome back. Can I do a quick analysis on GU? Yeah, let's. I will go over all the pairs. I was looking at USD CAD this morning too, but we literally failed to go in here for a sell, which I wanted to sell from here, but we did not get into here. Then we traded lower below daily opening. I was anticipating another run into this fair value gap, which it did, but did not take out this internal range liquidity. So there was an opportunity for a buy. But I didn't like how it formed. So just before the news, there was a buy opportunity on this in this area. But yeah, I didn't like how it formed, and I would have wanted it to go a little bit deeper. So if I don't like how price action is forming, I will stay out. That's probably best, right? Yeah, this is unfortunate actually, but it's all good, all good. This is actually a pretty tough week to trade. Not gonna lie. Noah, what's up, man? Let me go through the chat, guys. Sorry. Sensori, what do you think about the buy limit? And that's on Indices, I see. 41.69. Oh, I'm so fucking tired, guys. Jesus, hey, Jesus. um, Let me think about this one, because we do have some trendline liquidity forming, right? So that's actually a good target to be had. We're in this big range right now, a little bit choppy. I mean, the 15-minute OB is okay, but if you couple it up with SMT, if there's SMT, if you see another indices run lower and the other two are respecting this one, then I would say yes. So you have to wait for the open. So yeah, but definitely there's buy side liquidity formed. There's this trend line, right? And then all relative equal highs and stuff, and on way up higher, right, on the higher time frame, you still have this. And if you go to the daily time frame, we're trading in a daily breaker block, this one, right? And price is supported over here at the moment. Doesn't mean we can run into this daily fair value gap, right? That's why I don't like this whole situation over here. So yeah, that's my thoughts on indices. Because structurally, it's still respecting a breaker, but it's just accumulating at the moment, which is there's gonna be a large move. I feel like, because it's compressing, right? And if you compress something, there's gonna be an explosion after. Hello, Sunshine. How you doing? How are these Asian range boxes helpful to you? I can anticipate the high or the low of the day with these boxes. I'm still feeling a lower dollar at the moment, so we'll have to see how it trades when we take out this, because we have, look at the 5 minutes. Look what has been generated. An original consolidation, right? So this is a market maker buy model at the moment. So I feel like if we complete this and go into the 1 hour fair value gap, which is just leaving buy side liquidity just below it, and if I see a structure shift, so we're gonna tape read when we hit this area, if it hits it within the time frame I'm streaming, of course, because I'm actually not feeling too good at the moment. So can you elaborate on the 9:10:30 New York session, please? Yeah, there's something called 90-minute cycles, which I'm not gonna explain on stream. But pay attention to 9 to 10:30. It's a high probable time frame. Are the Asian banan? Are the Asian range boxes indicator, or do you draw them yourself? Yes, I draw them myself every day. No indicators on my chart. Everything is manually done. And EU should definitely move bullish, because keep in mind the higher time frame, right? That's what you should follow. Contemplating to partial gold, but we're leaving equal lows behind, so why should I partial, right? Because it's just leaving liquidity behind, and it should draw bearish. Right, look at these lows. AMD on S&P 500. Yeah, we're gonna do analysis in a bit on everything I have. I'm gonna take a little bit off gold, like half. I don't wanna sit in a retracement. JPFX bodies been on a mad losing streak since week. Oh, that's not good, man. Have you identified why, or how? Identify what time you took the losses. That should definitely help you. And did you follow all your rules, right? Or did you enter out of FOMO, or did you not wait for confirmation? That kind of stuff, right? I should take partials more often than price moves in my way. It's always like that. It's fine. Asian range indicator, very useful. Yeah, I just draw it out manually. It's fine. Yes, bodies, Anthony. I still have to eat. I have not eaten today. See you later, Henk. Henk. Graven. Another trendline liquidity on GU 15-minute time frame. Yes, yes. Banana. I'm gonna analyze in a second, guys. I'm staring at the screen a little bit. What do you call it? Not sure. Still need to eat too, so okay, check EU. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so let me go over the pairs. Start off with DXY. Right. What are we doing on the 4-hour current? Oh, this is the 8-hour. What are we doing on the 4-hour currently, right? We're accumulating inside this 4-hour for value gap, trading in the lower part of it, so it seems like it wants to break out of it. And we have these equal lows, so that should kind of be a target in my eyes. Now, you could say these equal highs up here are a target too, but this is heavy SMT. With Euro USD, this right, and we can compare it. Right, you can see no lower low for Euro USD, but we have a higher high on DXY, so this is SMT, right? Indicating strength for Euro, and the DXY just did a stop hunt. Right, so that's important to note. Trading back into the 4-hour fair value gap, which should be drawn bearish because of these lows. Now we got some sort of a trend line going on, but I think we can ignore that because the drawn liquidity should be bearish, which make EU go up, and EG at the moment is going bullish, so that helps EU go up more than GU goes going up. GU is hanging around because of the bearish Euro GBP. No, that doesn't mean it can go up, right? But it's high resistance. So better focus on EU for buys. GJ, hella bullish, but I feel like we're just retracing right now. Looks like we wanna Yeah, we still have to wait on higher time frame confirmation. But we're leaving this gap open, right? So this gap almost got tapped into, which indicates to me it's just leaving liquidity behind to go there later. It doesn't have to go there today or tomorrow, or maybe next week, right? But this is, in my eyes, generated liquidity. So I have to see what GJ does, because we're trading in an order block right now in a fair value gap. We did trade below daily opening straight up, so it's normally you want to buy below daily opening and then sell above it, but in this occasion it doesn't have to be like that, so we can still move down on GJ. Actually, let's watch it. Let me. So that's the 1 hour OB, right? Oh, we're leaving equal lows. So if we can create a swing low right now in this range, we can return into this area up here, and then we need to see displacement and then target these equal lows. So let's watch what it's gonna do. And even though it can go down from here already, so you have to stick by the rules, right? You wanna take a fair value gap that is in premium. Euro AUD, yeah, we'll check that. I will go watch GJ for 1 second, because it's leaving equal lows right now. So there could be potential down move coming. Is there a market maker model going on right now? It's not too clear at the moment. And the best thing is to do is to wait until you see like a clear indication, even though we have equal lows. I need to see trade back into premium and then show willingness to go down. Gold is just retracing hella hard. Good that I took a partial down here, right? Yeah, that's definitely good. doesn't actually matter that this wick is here. This is right now is internal range liquidity, so it would actually be more favorable if we run that liquidity in the fair value gap and then move down. We took out the daily high on GJ, so the retracement expected. Yeah, I was expecting Thursday reversal. So if we compare EJ and GJ right now, because Euro GBP is bullish, it's easier for GJ to go down when it's logical to go down, right? That's why I'm comparing these two. The gold is coming back to my entry, EG bullish. So now we're waiting for if this high gets run out on EJ, and we're gonna respect everything over here on GJ, and EG starts to break down, then we have SMT, and it's gonna be lit. Yeah, gold. I'm really glad I partialed. Let's see if we can get SMT. Is there another high up here? Yeah, let me mark out this one. The 4, it's nothing. Alright, let's form some SMT. My food is in the microwave, I need to get it out actually. Alright, right now we're taking the highs, right? I would like to see a little bit like a 10 pip sweep would actually be better, and then move down. Oh, USD CAD is also in a point of interest. Oh, I cannot tape read them all at the same time. Alright, so framework. Original consolidation. Let's see what happens in this gap. It's not clean, not clean. Let me know when you get in over here. We need to take this high before I can watch it. And gold almost took me out. Look at that. Almost. Wow. Nice liquidity run, taken PDH, including Friday's high, done for the day. Awesome price action. Well done, Gennaro, man. Well done. I would like it to run again in here. That would be good. Gold be wilding at the moment. Look at that. Just went. It retraced 70 pips. Almost took me out break even. Let me set an alert. USD cat still not in there? Needs to wait. New 30-minute candle just opened, right? Alright, let me grab my food real quick. Because I'm feeling like a zombie. I'll be right back in 1 minute. You guys tape read for me, okay? Let's do it. Right, I'm back. Got that burrito action. Did we fill the ADR? On EU? Let me check it on my MetaTrader. Yep. To the pip. ADR has been hit to the pip on EU. Now that doesn't mean it can go higher. But it's a good place to scale. If you have a buy, it's a good place to take some profit. I'm out on gold, break even. It's fine. It is fine. Still trading below daily opening, right? So one guy who was looking for this 15-minute OB, right? No structure forming in this OB. Oh, not too bad actually. Not too bad. But it's a 1 minute time frame, right? You really want to see like a 5-minute structure shift. That's better. 1 minute can be confusing. But this is an occasion where I cannot get in. It's so unfortunate, because I know draw should be bearish at the moment, but it does not present an opportunity to get in. On the lower time frame, that is, right? Because you could have gotten in on the 1 hour probably if you have a wider stop, but right now there's nothing to play with. Goodbye, DJ. Goodbye. Look, this 1 minute is confusing, right? It isn't holding at the moment, so wait for 5 minute structure. It's better. Use the cat. Look at this equal highs, man. What are you doing, man? Thank you, Gennaro. Sorry for not participating with the chat, guys, too much. I'm trying to read price and then I'm a little bit unfocused at the moment. Yeah, we should leave price. If this is the high and the SMT has been created and GJ is starting to crumble, EG will go down slower, but it needs to respect this, right? Which is it doing at the moment. And then we should see a sell model forming right now. So let's see if we can break through this. Then we have a new order block creation, and this candle needs to be have a little bit more force. So it needs to, or this one or the next candle needs to drop like significantly with some power, right? Then we can have a confirmed or anticipated new order block creation up here. We need to see displacement. Even though we're respecting this area, now we need to see displacement to have a little bit more confirmation that we actually want to draw lower. So you see no displacement yet, right? So it's nothing. It's not showing yet. It wants to go down. Yeah, we'll check USD CAD. You think today's ADR will be doubled? I'm not sure. Most of the time with the ADR, it's pretty accurate. And you wouldn't, unless you have like a lot of consolidating days after another, then the ADR can be like twice or triple. Because you take the 5-day average, right? So if the past 4 days was accumulation of 80 pips, and today we might move like 200 pips, and then it's 3 times ADR, right? So gold. Yeah, I'm not feeling this price action, especially not these equal highs right now. So I would be wary. I would be wary. It's having a tough time. EJ and GJ is definitely wanna go lower, so I would assume EJs will start to follow soon. But because of Euro GBP being bullish right now, it's hard for EG to go down. Look at this 5 minutes. Yeah, it's not doing much. 3 minute. Very wiki. Oh. Right, we're going into this gap with force. So what does that indicate? What does that indicate? Let's see how this forms. Right, new 15-minute candle is opening right now. Most favorably if this candle can trade straight down the next two candles, and then we have a fair value gap, then we have a balanced price range. That would be most favorable scenario. If this area is actually an area where you can sell from. Would you get into EJ if that OB gets confirmed? I need to see better price action. Right now it's choppy and now accumulating. Good afternoon, Mahfouz. Yo, Hezzy. If the 4-hour candle close below gap on EU can still reverse, right? Below this gap? Yeah, if it closes below this gap again, I would assume it goes bearish, but right now the draw on liquidity should be previous weekly high. What's up, BZY production? Messy price action on EJ. So there are no gaps on the 15 and the 5 and that kind of stuff, so that's unfortunate. So it might as well run the highs right now. So I'm not gonna look at the JPY pairs right now. It's not showing me anything which is favorable. Are we getting that BPR right now? Nope. Almost wanted to do it. See, that's why we wait. That's why you wait. Sneaky, sneaky. What's the XY doing? That's why I wait, guys, for confirmation. Yeah, I don't know how long I'll be able to stream. Feeling pretty awful at the moment, guys. So when a swing low is broken, you need a strong close. Yeah, that would be favorable. That would be more favorable. Patience is a virtue. Yes, sir. It is. Okay, guys, I really need to lay down. I'm fucking dying over here. Hope you guys don't mind. This stream was a little bit whack, but I'm not feeling too great, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll feel a little bit better. Thank you for joining in for this short amount of time, though. I appreciate you all. So, guys, stay safe today, and take a look at the 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. time window. Study it; it's important. Right, guys. Thank you. See you later.